Hello, how are you? Welcome back to my Chinese class. Last time we learned more than 30 Chinese square words, right? About 40. And then this time, let's study how to write all the Chinese words. Okay? Then that's a new concept called stroke. Okay, these are the strokes. Okay, there are more than 40 such strokes. Okay, these are the numbers, right? Okay, numbers from 1 to 10 and then 11 to 20. And then these are the strokes. And these are the Chinese names of these strokes. And these are examples in the words. Okay, so the first one is a horizontal short line, right? A horizontal short bar. Okay, so horizontal. This is also horizontal, right? This is longer. This is a little bit tilted. So there may be different cases, right? Okay. And then you practice these words. So for example, this horizontal short bar is this one. And then this one should be like this one. Actually, it is a longer one. Okay, so this short one is this short one, or say this short one, and this and these two. Okay, they are short horizontal bars. And this longer one, this longer one, this longer one, actually they are this one. Got it right? Okay, a short one, it is this. Okay, the longer one is this actually. So the shorter or longer, okay, horizontal short bars, you are able to write them, right? And this one, it is a little bit tilted. So for example, in this word, okay, this part, okay, and this also is a little bit tilted, right? This horizontal short bar, and this horizontal short bar actually, this lower part is exactly this word, right? Okay. So horizontal short bars, there are 4 cases. If you practice these words, then you are able to know how to write them, right? Okay, horizontal short bar. And then vertical short bars, right? Okay, vertical short bars, there are 5 cases. So for example, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, this is very short, right? So for example, here, this part is a very short horizontal vertical bar, right? And here also very short vertical bar. And here, okay, the lower part at the bottom. And this part is also very short vertical short bar, right? And this is longer. Okay, this longer one may be actually, for example, this one or this one, right? Okay, so this is a little bit longer. So for example, this part is longer, right? This part is longer. This part is also vertical. So vertical short bar. You are able to write, right? Okay, and the longer vertical short bars. So for example, this one longer, right? And this is also longer, a little bit longer than that one, right? Okay, some are. So for example, this is maybe this is 90% long. Okay, this is 100% long. Okay, and then that is 50%. Okay, only this may be also 70 or 50% long, right? Okay, this is less than 50% long, right? Okay, so the vertical short bars can be very short and it can be very long, right? Okay, and if you practice these words, and then you can be familiar with this stroke. Okay, and then this is called this looks like a knife, right? A knife. Okay, this is very sharp. This part, the tip is very sharp. Okay, so it looks like a knife. So a knife to the left, right? A knife to the left. Okay, this is also knife to the left, right? This is also, but this looks like more like a sword, right? More like a sword. Okay, so is this one, so is this one, so is this one, right? Okay, so all these are knives to the left, right? Okay. And how about the examples? This is a knife to the left, but it is more horizontal, right? It is flatter, okay, more leveled, more horizontal, okay. So this one and this one and this one, right? Okay. And the stroke is shorter, right? It's shorter, okay, not very long, okay. This is a little bit more vertical, right? A little bit more vertical. So compare this one with that one. Then this is a little bit more vertical. A little bit more vertical. Okay, this part, right? This part. Okay, and this is very long because in this word it is from top to bottom, right? So that's long. Okay, so this is long, and this is a little bit steeper. Okay. But similar, right? This one and this one actually they are similar. If you make a mistake, if you are confused with this one and that one, it's okay. Right? It's okay. No, should not be feared. Okay. Okay. So how about this one? This is also right. This is also a knife to the left. Okay. This is similar, right? Actually, this one, and that. Actually, these four. Even when I write words, I'm not able to find the difference between these, right? But in this word, we say this is more vertical. So first vertically downward and then bent to the left, right? Okay. So this is first vertically downward. This is similar. Okay, this is also similar, right? So even when I write words, I'm not able to find the difference. Okay. This is okay, another stroke, right? Another type of stroke. Okay, we have already studied how many? 1, 2, 3. 3 categories, right? 3 classes. Now this is the fourth class. So this is a horizontal hook, right? Horizontal hook. So this is also horizontal hook, right? And then this is, but the hook is longer. Okay. So for example, this one, horizontal first, and then a knife to the left. This also can be considered as a horizontal first, and then knife to the left. Horizontal first, and then knife to the left. Okay. Or say horizontal hook just. Okay. So this is the fourth category, right? Okay, so how about a fifth? So this one is first vertical, right? Vertical downward and then bent, or say 90 degree turn, right? 90-degree turn, and then hook, right? Or say then knife to the left. Okay, so vertical, bent, then bent again. Okay, this is also horizontal, right? And then bent, and then knife to the left. Okay, so these 19th and these 20th, you need to practice a few times. So please write these words. Okay, so for example, how do you write this word? Horizontal short, horizontal longer, right? And then vertical downward, and then bent again to the left, and then point, or say dot. Okay, so you write this word this way, right? And then this word, knife to the left, and then vertical down, and then horizontal shorter, and then horizontal longer, and then vertical downward, and then bent, right? And bent again to the left, and then point. Okay, actually these 3 words, they are similar, right? Because they share the same character, they share this same part. Okay, these two words also share this part, right? Okay, so if you practice many times, then you know how to write this stroke. Then how about this one? So this part, right? Horizontal, then bent again, then knife to the left. Okay, and then here knife to the left, and then ballroom to the right, right? And ballroom to the right. This looks like a ballroom, right? Looks like a ballroom, okay? And this word, this part of this word is this one, right? So if you practice a few times, then you will be familiar with this stroke, okay? So let's move on to study some more. So this is called horizontal first, right? Horizontal bent, and then we'll say horizontal, and then 90-degree turn, and then bent, right? And then bent. Okay. So actually, which one? Actually, it is this part, point first, and then horizontal, and then 90-degree turn, and then bent, and then a flat ballroom to the right. Okay. And all these three words, they share such a part, right? And then if you practice many times, then you know how to write such a part. Okay. And then this is the 22nd, okay, 22nd stroke is called okay, ballroom, right? To the right, ballroom to the right, because it looks like a ballroom. Okay. So in these words, right? This word in this stroke, and then this stroke, okay, they are all this one, right? And then this flat ballroom to the right, right? Okay, for example, in these words, you have already practiced 3 times, and then again, right? Again, practice. Okay. So then let's come to the dots, right? The points. Okay, so the points, you have a point to the left, right? And a point to the right. Okay, and a longer point, right? A longer point to the right. And then if there are 2 points, then it can be like this. Okay, so for example, here 2 points like this, 2 points, 2 points. Okay, symmetrical, right? Symmetrical. And then this also looks like symmetrical, right? Okay, 2 points like this. Okay, or say these are called inverted 2 points, right? If these are the upright 2 points, then these are the inverted 2 points. Okay, and these 2 points are similar to these 2 points, right? But they are actually they are closer, actually, right? They are closer. When they are closer, those points are beside 2 sides of other parts, right? So between these 2 points there are something else. Okay, so they are further away from each other, but these are just close to each other, right? Okay, these 2 points. Okay, 3 points can be like this. Okay, first 2 points, and then this third point actually is a very steep knife to the left, right? Okay, well, actually this is just a point. Okay, so for example, these 3 points, look, these 3 points, these 3 points. Okay, so you write these 3 points this way, and 4 points can be like this, right? 4 points, and 2 points can also be like this. Okay, so for example, these words. Okay, so 2 points, consecutive 2 points, right? Consecutive. Okay, those 4 points usually they are at the bottom. Okay, the 4 points usually are at the bottom. Got it, right? Okay. And these 2 points, okay, these 2 points like this. We have not ever seen such 2 points, right? Okay, 1 point and then a dagger upright. Okay, and then 3 points, right? 3 points. Actually 2 points and a dagger upright. Okay, and 4 points can be like this, right? Okay, these 4 points are symmetric, right? Symmetric. Okay, and if you practice these words, then you know how to write these 4 points. Okay, as for this is just like a horizontal short bar, right? But a little bit upward. Okay, so is this one. Okay, so is this one. Okay, for example, here, 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 here. Okay, and this, of course, it is vertical vertical but sharp hook, right? Vertical sharp hook. This is also, right? This is also, so is this one, right? Okay, but this is longer, okay, because this is transversal, okay, it comes from the top to the bottom and then a hook upward, a very sharp hook. So these are sharp hooks, right? Sharp hooks, okay. And you practice these words and then you know how to write them, okay. Then these, okay. So first it is a knife to the left and then a dagger to the right, right? Knife to the to the left and then dagger to the right, okay. So for example, this stroke, and this stroke, and this stroke, okay. As for that one, it is this stroke and that stroke, right? Okay, so here, okay, and this one, okay. And this horizontal and then 90-degree turn and then vertical hook, right? Or say this is just vertical hook. Horizontal and then bent into vertical hook, okay. And above, usually there is a point. Above here, usually there is a point. So for example, here, point, and then horizontal, then 90-degree turn into a vertical sharp hook, okay. So this point and this part and this part and this part, okay. And then this horizontal and then 90-degree bent, okay. Horizontal 90-degree bent, horizontal 90-degree bent, okay. But this vertical is longer. This horizontal is longer, right? Okay, horizontal is a little bit longer and then vertical. And then here vertical is longer, or say of the same length, okay. But this really this vertical is longer, right? Okay. So three such strokes, they are in the same class, right? They are the same category, okay. So this first vertical and then horizontal bent, right? Vertical and then horizontal bent, vertical and then horizontal bent, vertical, horizontal. So this is vertical shorter but horizontal longer, right? But this vertical longer, horizontal a little bit shorter or almost the same length, right? So for example here, and here this actually almost the same, right? But okay, so this of course vertical shorter, horizontal longer, right? Vertical shorter, horizontal longer, okay. So if you practice these words, then you know how to write, okay. This stroke, got it, right? Okay, actually this is still the same, right? Still the same, but there is a acute angle, right? Acute angle, and this is also there is a an angle, okay. An angle about 90 degrees, right? But actually about 70s or 80s, such a degree, such angle, okay. But this is a obtuse angle, right? Obtuse angle. So this is actually a knife to the left and then point to the right, okay. Then point to the right, okay. So for example, knife to the left and then point to the right, okay. So is this, right? So is this, but this to the right is longer, okay. And then this vertical first and then bent, vertical first and then bent, okay. This is a vertical longer, right? Vertical longer. So for example here, where actually it means this part inside, and this part inside, okay. And this, of course, this part inside. Got it, right? Okay. And then, oh yeah, and that part is also this part inside, actually. This part is also this part inside. Okay, then this horizontal and then 90-degree bent and then 90 degree turn, right? And then 90-degree bent. Okay. But the scale is not very long, right? It is very short because it is just a very small part of a word. Okay, a very small part of a word. Okay, very small part. Okay, and this part horizontal and then bent again, horizontal bent again. Okay, so this part. So is this one, right? Okay, so probably no more. Let's check. Or some more. Okay, sorry. Okay, so this is a hook, right? Hook to the right. Okay, uh, horizontal and then hook to the right. Horizontal and then hook. Horizontal and then hook. Okay. Okay, this is a curved hook to the right, right? Curved hook to the right, and this is a vertical hook to the left. Vertical hook to the left, right? Vertical hook to the left. And you practice these words, and then you know how to write these strokes. Okay, horizontal downward hook, right? Horizontal downward hook. Okay, for example here, and this one, and this one, and no, these are not just hooks, right? This is horizontal first, but tilted, right? But tilted upward, and then vertical hook. Okay, so is this, so is this, so is this, so is this, so are these, right? But this is first vertical downward, and then horizontal, and then vertical hook again. Okay, so it is here. So for example, how do you write this word? So it is first horizontal and then 90-degree bent, right? And then a horizontal short bar, and then this part. So it is vertical downward, and then horizontal bend, and then vertical hook. Okay, and then finally a vertical short bar. So it is this word. So you practice these words many times, and then you know how to write these strokes. You should be familiar. Should be get what? Get a habit. Should get a habit. Be used to write these strokes, and then you won't make a mistake. But if you make a mistake, it's okay, right? It's okay because this is not your first language. If you make some mistakes, it's okay. Okay, so today we just studied so much. Okay, thank you. Good luck. Okay, thanks. Bye. Have a nice day.